eager anticipation of the upcoming Pran Pratishtha ceremony at the Ram Temple in Ayodhya on January 22nd, monumental billboards featuring Lord Ram and the majestic shrine have surfaced in over 10 states across the United States. The Vishwa Hindu Parishad VHP US chapter, in collaboration with Hindus from various states, has installed more than 40 attention-grabbing billboards to spread the news about the significant ceremony at the birthplace of Sri Ram Lala. These impactful displays are strategically positioned in states including Texas, Illinois, New York, New Jersey, and Georgia. Additionally, Arizona and the state of Missouri are set to join the visual celebration starting Monday, January 15th, according to reports from the VHP's American chapter. Amitav V.W. Mittal, the General Secretary of the Hindu Parishad of America, emphasizes, "These billboards resounding convey the joy and excitement of Hindu Americans participating in the rare and momentous event. Their emotions overflow as they eagerly await the auspicious day of the consecration ceremony." In celebration of the inauguration of the Ram Temple in Ayodhya, the Hindu American community across the United States has orchestrated numerous car rallies and planned additional events leading up to the Pran Pratishtha in Ayodhya. Scheduled for January 22, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to attend the ceremonial installation of the ideal of Sri Ram Lala inside the Sanctum Sanctorum of the Grand Temple. Invitations to this Grand Temple opening in Ayodhya have been extended to a multitude of leaders and dignitaries from diverse backgrounds. As per Hindu officials, the ceremonial proceedings are set to unfold over 7 days, starting from January 16. In a historic moment for the global Hindu community, the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Teerth Kshetra Trust has declared the enthronement of Ram Lala at the Sanctum Sanctorum of the Ram Temple at noon on January 22. Stay tuned for a significant and culturally rich event that resonates with devotees worldwide.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.